Hello everyone, this is Jason, the Operating Officer and Hash Cloud Manager for Waterhole IO. Today, I will be showing you a short tutorial on setting up the Windows miner on your Windows 10 PC. First, we'll be downloading the miner from the Waterhole website, and the link is in the description below. When the download is complete, we're going to open the folder where the file has been downloaded, and here I have downloaded the file onto the desktop. If needed, we're going to go to the properties and unblock the zip file. Next, we're going to extract it. Now once the file has been extracted, we'll actually need to unblock it also in the Windows Defender security settings. We're going to the Virus and Threat Protection, and then Virus and Threat Protection settings. We have to scroll down to the Exclusion section, and we're going to add the miner folder to be excluded. We saved it in the desktop, so here's the folder, and we're done. Now, let's go back to our miner folder. We're going to open the folder. We'll need to set the water miner to run as an administrator by right-clicking on it, going to Properties, Compatibility, then Run as an administrator. Here, you can set your wallet address, which I have already done here. Next, we're going to set the worker name. In this example, we'll use worker02. Here, we can set the coin type to mine. We have Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Zcash. For this example, we'll be using Ethereum. We can also set which pool to mine to. Waterhole Miner is free to use. However, there is a current developer fee of 1% for Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Zcash. If you select Waterhole as your pool, then this 1% fee is waived. Now, let's go to the Settings tab and see what we can do from there. Here, you'll see some options such as setting the PC's name as your worker's name for easier identification, automatically start when the PC boots up, automatically start mining after 10 seconds, restart the PC at a set interval, restart PC or miner when an error occurs, or restart PC when there is a GPU error. Next, to allow remote control and remote viewing, we're going to need to first add the admin. Here, you input in your Waterhole user ID. This will also immediately notify you when a miner goes offline. The Income tab over here will show you real-time estimation of your profit. Now, let's go to the Parameters tab. Here, you'll see the GPU, the temperature, the fan speed, and hash rate. We're going to click Start. We're going to click Allow Access. In this example, I will be using a 1080 GTX, 8GB of RAM. Here, you can see the temperature, fan speed, and the hash rate. The Income tab now will show the profit that's being generated. Now finally, I will show you what it looks like on the Waterhole mobile app, available both on Apple iOS App Store and Android Play Store. We'll be using the Android version for this next demo. First, we'll open the app. Next, we'll see the mining option available here. You can also check your offline workers. Clicking on a coin will reveal the workers currently mining. We see the worker's name, hash rate, and their status. Clicking on it will reveal a detailed view, including the GPU, temperature, hash rate, and fan speed, along with remote stop mining, restart PC, and even shutdown. If you set your miner to open when the PC restarts, that means you can remotely start the miner from the app. If we click on Switch Coin, then we can also change the coin type to mine, as well as the pool and the wallet, all remotely from the app. This concludes our tutorial for the Waterhole PC Miner and Waterhole mobile application.